Here are 2 ways to restore an old or recent backup from a Windows PC using iTunes. First, open iTunes on your Windows computer. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer to allow access to your iPhone data on Windows. If you're setting up a brand new iPhone for the first time or after factory resetting your iPhone, use the second method. Otherwise, use the first method. The first method is useful if you want to restore an older iPhone backup without erasing your iPhone or resetting it to factory settings. Keep your iPhone connected to the computer. Open iTunes on your PC and click the iPhone icon at the top, right next to the Music tab. On the Device Summary page, click the Restore iPhone button. If iTunes says Find My iPhone must be turned off before restoring, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID profile at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll down and tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone. Turn off the Find My iPhone toggle and you're done. If the option is grayed out because stolen device protection is enabled, go back to Face ID and passcode settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, scroll down to Stolen Device Protection, and turn that toggle off. That's it. Now go back to your computer and click the Restore iPhone button again. iTunes will show all your previous and recent backups. Select the backup you want from the list, then click Restore. Wait for the restore process to finish. During the process, your iPhone may ask for your screen lock passcode to verify the restore. That's normal. Do not disconnect your iPhone from the computer or let your PC go to sleep during the process. Wait until you see the Hello screen on your iPhone, then continue with the setup steps to finish the restore. Next, your iPhone will automatically start reinstalling apps from the App Store. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password to begin downloading your apps again. Now let's look at the second method. Choose the Restore from this backup option during setup, then select the backup you created on this PC using iTunes and continue with the next steps. You'll now see the estimated time remaining while your iPhone restores from the backup. After the process is complete, your iPhone may ask for the old screen lock passcode to verify and finish restoring the backup onto the latest version of iOS. Wait for the Hello screen to appear once the installation is finished. Tap Continue to complete the setup. Sometimes your iPhone may also ask you to verify your Apple ID password again to reinstall apps and services. That's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more new video updates.